Today we got a video from Multi-State, and the title of the video is Woman Gets Caught Buying Wine with Somebody Else's Account.
Hey, Miss Edwards?
Yeah.
So there's a little bit of an issue with the account that you're claiming.
I'm not claiming I was added to the account, but if it's an issue, you can give me my ID and I'll speak with the account owner.
How do you know the account owner?
How would I be on somebody's account if I didn't know? I'm on several accounts. I do.
How are you on several accounts?
Because my friends add me to their accounts because they don't drink the wine and I pick the wine up for them.
So you're saying that you spoke with the person who's on
Can I have my ID?
No, not right now.
Okay,
who
I'm not saying anything. If it's an issue,
who is the account holder of this account?
Her name is Michelle of that account.
Okay, where does she live?
I'm not about to give you any information. I'm done talking. So am I being charged with something?
Hang out for a couple minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Is this her? Yeah.
What's going on? Because they say this is not a Cooper Talk issue and y'all got my ID.
Yeah, I know, because the person who put you on as secondary doesn't know who you are.
Okay, well, I didn't put myself on there. So
Okay, who did?
she put me on there, clearly. Okay. How can I get put on somebody?
How when she doesn't even know who you are?
I'm not about to do all that talking. If she don't know who I am, just give me my ID. I didn't go on the computer and put myself on her account.
How do you know her?
I'm not about to answer all of those questions. I have more than one account. I have my own account and I have other accounts. So
why aren't you using your account then?
Because she asked me to pick the bottles up clearly. Why would I be using my account if she asked me to pick the bottles?
Where does she live?
In Kansas.
In Kansas?
Yep.
No, she doesn't.
Okay, well that's fine. That's what she told me. So, can I have my ID?
No, you're being detained right now.
I'm being detained? Okay,
Yeah.
why I'm being detained? I'm being detained inside of Cooper's Hall?
Part of an investigation.
Yeah.
I'm being detained where though?
Right here. You're just standing here.
You want me to stand here?
You're just
Wait,
not
You
free to
want to sit in
leave.
my car?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
That should be so crazy when people come off so angry and aggressive at cops, like the way that they talk, the tone in their voice, when you know deep down you wrong. She got so much attitude, but deep down she knows she wrong. She really should just play the back scene, keep it quiet, and see, okay, are they gonna catch me or not? You know what I'm saying? But with the whole rah, 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 you know, all that barking like a dog. You know, that's pretty much what I hear. You know, all of that, it's like, you know, come on, man. All of that is unnecessary, man. All of that is unnecessary. You in the wrong. Whew. They locked in with that phone, boy.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll figure out the total once I get her out, but I'm gonna hook her up right now. Thanks.
Yeah.
All right. So, like I was
assume the position.
Why are you so close?
Because
It's three of y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, you can step back. I
Okay,
feel
so
I'm a black woman, and I feel a little bit.
Okay, so
y'all in my
I'm looking.
Yeah, you a black woman and you embarrassing us in front of these white folks, man. All I seen coming out of that establishment was all white people, man. You embarrassing us. You giving us a bad rep, man. Come on, man. You coming in there on that funny business, now.
Can I explain to you?
You can explain to me, but I want you to step back behind that line.
I'm not going to.
Okay, you too close. I'm gonna move back.
Okay, well.
You don't have to keep moving closer.
So
Go ahead.
They made contact with the person you're claiming that you were authorized to.
Okay.
And she did not. She said she did not authorize you. So you're going to be placed under arrest for retail theft. Okay.
Can I get my phone? Wait.
Yeah. Okay.
My daughter right here. Let her get my phone in my purse.
Yeah, I'll talk to her.
Samara, come get my stuff.
Anything illegal in your purse? Behind your purse?
Get my purse. Get my phone.
Yeah. Sign for 341. Is there a female?
Get my phone. Take that AirPod out my ear.
Do not go through her pocket.
I said take my AirPod out my ear.
Yo, that shit is crazy. The kid just coming up, grabbing, like, this is, back up.
Walk over here.
Let my daughter touch you.
Not going to do it.
Why you sit?
Walk over here.
That's crazy.
Tamara, go get in the car. But you don't have to put your hands on her. Y'all got the right ones today, because ain't no retail theft.
Give me
and I
10-9,
can take
sorry.
anything.
Do you need someone at where you are or at the station?
We could just go to the station. I'm not gonna.
I don't have nothing.
What's in your pocket? Just the AirPods.
Can you put the case in my car, AirPod in my case?
I'm gonna give her the case. Is that fine?
That's fine, but you don't have to knock her hand like that.
Is your other one there?
I don't have, it's in the
Okay.
case.
Just one. Okay.
Y'all got daughters, y'all don't want nobody knocking y'all hands up past their head like that.
Mark one female passenger. Yeah.
Do you need an email at the station or at?
Some of those stations.
I think we have.
Can you let her know where you're taking me?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, can you turn my camera on? I'm gonna walk around. I just don't want to reach across.
I did say.
Thank you. Sweetheart, I'll be there.
See that? Listening to mama gonna get somebody jammed up, man. Listening to your mama gonna get you jammed up. You sitting there, you see that she's under arrest, and you gonna listen to the orders of your mom, start reaching in, this, that, like, gonna get you jammed up. Then the lady talking about, oh, you got daughters, you wouldn't want her reaching. Well, who the hell would be telling their kid to come and take stuff out of you while you're in custody? Like, come on now. You setting your kid up for failure. That's literally what you doing. You setting your kid up for failure, man. That shit don't make no sense. No sense whatsoever, man. You doing that with him right there, and just embarrassing, man. Over some wine? Wine? You doing all of that over wine? People committing fraud on all types of accounts, man. They trying to hit a lick for wine. Come on, man. Come on. That shit don't even make no sense, man. Wine? Nah, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.